Hi, Deborah. I'm going to walk you through the Arts and Humanities Database found through ProQuest. Let's go. From the Arts and Humanities Database homepage, you can search either through a basic search, advanced search, or specific publications. You can also limit your search by selecting either full text or peer-reviewed text. For this search, we will select an advanced search. Once you're in the advanced search page, you can place your specific search, since you're looking for Lewis Carroll, in the main search bar, then select Anywhere. Next, select the Boolean operator and then place Alice's Adventures in Wonderland in the next bar and select Document Text. Now you can narrow your search to include only scholarly journals. Narrow it further to include only articles. Then select your desired languages. For this search, I selected English. Now click the search button and we'll see what our results look like. You'll see in the upper left-hand corner, we ended up with 76 results for this specific search. Now you can sort through your search by selecting relevance, oldest first, or most recent first. You can select full text or peer-reviewed text, or both. And you can also select a date range for your publication dates with the sliding bar. Now let's look at some of the results of our search. Our second option is a full text article entitled Whitenstein's Reflection in Lewis Carroll's Looking Glass. Through Show Abstract, you can do a quick perusal of the article's abstract to see if the topic relates to your specific project. The abstract will drop down and look like this. You can also select full text to see the entire article. The article will open in a new window and it'll look like this. You can also select the full text PDF so that you can print the article. This is what it looks like whenever you open up the full text PDF. And you'll see here you have a download button and also a print button. From within the search that we performed, you also have the option to modify your search to either make it a more refined search or a larger search. Modify search will take you back to the advanced search with the original search terms that we used. Let's try broadening our search by adding a row to our search terms. For our next row, I selected the Boolean operator OR and placed through the looking glass in the search bar. Then I selected in document text, but you can play around with these and see what works best for you. This will change your search results depending on the limiter that you select. And now we'll click the search button. Now we see that our new search terms brought us 8,136 results, which is definitely a broader search. Let's try this one more time. Let's modify our search again and try some new terms. Once we're back in our advanced search, we'll keep our search terms Carol Lewis, and we will place in abstract. So then we will only be looking in the abstract for Lewis Carroll. Now we'll select only peer-reviewed articles. We'll add trade journals to our source type. And then we'll hit the search button again. You'll see that our search is significantly narrowed from our last search. Now we only have 5 results. A nice feature of this database that I'd like to point out is the recent searches link. This takes you to all of your recent searches that you would have done in the past few minutes. Let's take a look. So you see here, when we click that link, it shows us some of the searches that we've recently performed. And this is actually a nice way to go back and forth if you want to go back to your more narrowed search or your broader search, just to cross-reference some of the articles that you received from both searches. Now it's your turn to try it out. Try switching up your source types and your document types. Play around with your search terms, the Boolean operators, and where you'll find these terms, whether they're in the abstract or the entire document text or just search terms. Just try it out and see what you can find. Best of luck with your project and happy searching!